Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. We have another second edition of Diamond Art Club. This is a series of unboxing. And if you want to know more about the box and all the details, you can watch the first video that I'm going to post over here. But something that I forgot to tell you, and it's a big plus, is that it has a warning, choking hazard. Okay? That has small pieces that should be kept out of the children under 8 years old, according to this. But I will add it should keep out of animals first, baby. And this one is called Home Sweet Home Bluebirds. Okay, this is by Linda Howard Bittner, and it's a 95 centimeter by 70 centimeter. Oh, another big sucker, but this is landscape type, if I can see. So let's get on it. Okay. Woo-hoo. So we got this is gonna be so colorful for springtime next year. That is beautiful. Very colorful. Confetti party, I see. Okay, let me get these over here. Let's take a real quick look at the toolkit. This is a square, so it should have a tweezer. Okay, this one is pink. The pen is pink with those sparkly things. And it matched the cushion, the cushy. Oh, this one was easier than the other one to enter. And you got the tweezer, which, as I said, you can poke somebody's eyes. Sorry about the camera movement. You got the baggies, which I'm putting aside. Oh, this is a nice one. Take a look at this gorgeous washi tape. That's beautiful. You get the wax, 2 chunks of wax. Okay, like I was always saying, please don't forget to put is anything else? Nope. Oh, here it is. So we have a 4 placer and a 7 placer. We got the tray. Okay, which I'm liking them because they're good for also the special drill ones. Oh, and we got this nice button coin minder. That's neat. That's beautiful in purple. That's beautiful. So let me put this back in real quick. Okay, ooh, this fell off. And we are going to continue. Okay, so let me see. So let's take a look at this big sucker. This one is supposed to be, oh, this is so colorful. You guys are gonna love it. Okay, again, you get the pamphlet with the thank you and a coupon inside. You can watch the first video. This one has 60 colors, and how many? 4 Aurora Borealis. Of course, you can bling it up. They have quad and slivers in diamond painting with sparkles website. And this is by Linda Howard Bittner, Home Sweet Home Bluebirds. And blue is my favorite color. Look at that colorful thing. That is so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and that's the stickers, which you can use for your storage when kitting it up. And take a look at this. We're gonna look at the Aurora Borealis one, but take a look at these colorful things. Okay, let's take a look at the canvas. This one is, oh my god, so much detail. Take a look at that nest. Take a look at that nest in the mailbox. Ain't that cute? With the bluebirds. And there is the background of the houses. This has such a detail. This is why these canvases has to be so big and square. You do this in round, it's gonna get pixelated. It's not gonna look. You got butterflies, you got other birds, you got the background with even mountains and bushes. Okay, let's keep on looking at this. Take a look at this, at the barn and everything. There's another bird. And take a look at the flowers. Look at these flowers and look at these big butterfly. Ah, nice. I'm trying to get you in. Take a look at these flowers. And there's another bird in here. And look at this beautiful butterfly. This is a monarch butterfly. Okay. Take a look at this. And here is another big butterfly. And here's a cardinal. Oh God, Jesus Christ, this is gorgeous, ladies. Okay, let's take a look at the number one. It's kind of a yellowy one, yellow-green, which is all of this. Okay, it's all of this. Okay, I'm just gonna show you a section and of all the ABs. There's some more over here. Okay, number two is supposed to be kind of a reddish one. Let me see. There's some in the bird, right? There's some in here in the handle of the mailbox. Okay. There's some on these birds too. There's some up here in the background, which is kind of interesting. Okay, and the monarch obviously has some, number two. And these, the cardinal too. Number three is the blue one, and I'm assuming that the blue flowers has some. Yeah, they have some over here. There's some over here. Yeah, everything that is blue in here has a number three. Let's see the bird. Yeah, the birds have some number three. Very sparingly, though. Yep, it has some number three. Everything that is blue in here. Number four is 141. These are the white ones over here. These white flowers over here. And over here. And there is some in the bird's belly and in the bird's face. Some in this house. Okay. Some on this in the food that he's bringing on to the bird, to the little birds. There's one over here in their eyes, and again over here, and some over here, and some in the farm, and in the white flowers too. So this is gorgeous, guys. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me roll it up. In the meantime, you are seeing it. This is beautiful, guys. A lot of color, you know, to make you happy. It makes me happy to get them. And there is another one coming out this Saturday that it's getting me, you know. Ugh. But I can't. I keep myself saying I can't. But the thing is, the Diamond Art Club in their Facebook page, sometimes you vote. They present you a lot of artists, a lot of arts and stuff like that to turn it into diamond paint, and they make you vote for it for the next releases. And you know, you get how you say it, you get tempted. And I voted for some of this, so that's why I got it. What is the use for you to vote it if you don't get it? Okay, so let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at the drills. Let's find Home Sweet Home Bluebirds. Oh, here it is. This is the one that goes into the this is the Aurora Borealis. Let's see, get it. Okay, here you go. Okay, that's one of them, which is the green one. Take a look at all these colors. This is the white one. Oh, thank God it's close. I don't know if you'll be able to see because of that sparkle. That's another one. It's 4 of them. We'll still have 2 to go. Oh, here is the blue ones. One, two, three. Here's the blue Aurora Borealis, the one that goes in the birds. And what was the other color? We got the blue, the white, and the green is the red, the reddish one. The one that goes into the monarch. Here it is. It's not red, it's orangey. Here it is. Here they are. It's an orangey one. It goes into the monarch. And here is your colorful, your rainbow, whatever you want to call it. Look at that purple in there. Let me show you like this. Take a look at this. All that color. Let me yeah, I have to do this. There's so much. It's 60 colors in here, guys. And sometimes there's one packet have more than one color has more than one pack. So, you know, let me put it back in here real quick. Sorry for the crankling. So with these beautiful colors, I leave you. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful week. Okay, I'm happy because I'm like a little girl on Christmas time, getting all these goodies. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, all notifications, so you won't miss any videos. Okay, and please join the membership to support the channel so we can give you some perks. Okay, and until the next time, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. So much love and peace to all of you. Bye.